Hello good people, welcome to the Zero Code channel. We specifically work on different product reviews just for you. We took our time and invested our energy to do extensive research on different products available in the market coming from different brands. The research included is checking out all the exclusive features, the durability, and also the reliability of the products. Our team is very experienced and they're working relentlessly so that you can find your perfect product. So be with us, support us, and pick your best product from one of them featured in the video. Thank you.
Number 5. Visita TRMS 6000. Digital multimeter measuring range DC voltage to 1000 volt. Auto ranging simple, easy to read. Digital multimeter auto ranging 2/3 times readings per second. Beep continuity test with LED. Portable digital multimeter auto ranging for household. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Craftsman 34-80 2007. Affordable and compact sized multimeter with NCV tester. Type K temperature measurements and auto ranging model. Measures AC/DC voltage, current, resistance, capacitance. Fully equipped with leads and probe with a large LCD easy to read digital display. Auto power off to save batteries. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Klein Tool 69149. The MM300 multimeter measures AC/DC voltage, DC current. The NCVT1 has a bright green LED to indicate the tester is working. NCVT1 has a digitally controlled on/off power button. Receptacle tester detects wiring configurations. Identifies open ground, open hot, open neutral, hot/ground reversed. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Astro AI TRMS 6000. Voltage, current, resistance, continuity, capacitance, frequency. Professional level features include auto ranging capability. Convenient features like data hold, large LCD backlit screen. Ideal for commercial settings where it can handle the demands. Built-in F400 mAh/600 volt and F10 amp/600 volt explosion-proof ceramic fuse tubes. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 1. Fluke RMS 117. Volt alert technology for non-contact voltage detection. Auto volt automatic AC/DC voltage selection. Low input impedance, helps prevent false readings due to ghost voltage. Large white LED backlight to work in poorly lit areas. True RMS for accurate measurements on nonlinear loads. Please check the description for details and best price.